Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, 3 steps to getting more leads. Number 1, target. We've talked about this. Make your target a strategic target. What do I mean strategic? Well, make sure that it has the characteristics that you want in a target market. So for example, it might be that you want it nearby. So within let's say an hour of where you are. Let's say that you may want to be certain kinds of buildings. You're looking to do medical buildings or you're looking to do office buildings. Think about what buildings you best want to serve. And then other things like, for example, Tony and I, we wanted part of our strategic target to be that it was recurring. So for example, we did a lot of 3-day a week, 5-day a week accounts. We like those kinds of office cleaning jobs. Now, that doesn't mean that construction work, post-construction cleanup, that it can't be recurring. In some ways it can, because if you get a good relationship with certain contractors, they may be using you all the time, and in effect, you're kept busy with recurring work in some ways because you're always doing it. So, but again, that steady stream every month, we really thought was a good strategic target. So target, number 2, message, right? Is your message a compelling one? Lowest price, we didn't want that to be our compelling message. So what would be a good message? Here's a question to ask yourself. Why would someone want to hire you that is looking for a cleaning business? Put differently, if you were an office manager, and you were frustrated with the last 2 or 3 companies that cleaned your place, what would you be looking for when you were looking for your next cleaning company? That's what you may want to think about, right? It might have to do with the quality dropped off. It may have to do with that people, the people were absent and they never even covered for them, or they didn't train their personnel, or they didn't have uniform shirts and they never knew who was in their building, or they have never told. There may be lots of reasons that that office manager was upset. So think about compelling messages that you could create answers for in your cleaning company. So target, message, and then the big one, plan. It seems like, what's the old saying, anybody can do something once. It's the repeating of it that makes the difference. The power is in having a plan. What kind of a marketing plan? Well, it doesn't have to be super formal, but you want to have some steps in it. So what are a lot of the steps of marketing for cleaning? Well, it can be visiting the location. It can be calling the building and calling to try to talk to the person. It can be sending them an email, sending them letters, marketing letters. So call, visit, email, letter, and then mix and match those together so that you can create maybe 12 steps, 15 steps. Maybe space those call, visit, email, letter, space those out, maybe 6 weeks. All of a sudden you have an 18-month plan of ways to get your message to your target market. So target, message, plan. Hope that helps. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.